Okay, let's have a look at how to multiply two decimals together. If I had a question like this, the first thing I'll be doing is looking at setting out the same way as a long multiplication. So I'll be doing 27 times 38 and then putting the decimal places back in at the end. So if I was going to use the grid method, I'll set the 27 out as 20 and 7 and the 38 out as 30 and 8. I'll then draw on my grid and just do the multiplying as you normally would do. 3 times 2 is 6, add the two zeros. 3 times 7 is 21, add the 0. 2 times 8 is 16, add the 0, and 7 times 8 is 56. Most people normally get this part. It's the next part where people tend to go wrong, which is the adding up and then putting a decimal point back in. These are the numbers from our multiplication grid, so we just add them up as a normal column addition. So we have 6 here, 1 add 6 is 7, add 5 is 12, 6 add 2 is 8, add 1 is 9, with the 1 on the bottom, that makes us 10. So we have 1026. If I look back at the original question, we had two decimal places in the question. We had one here and one here. So in the answer, we also need two numbers after a decimal point. If I count back, two numbers, 1, 2, put a decimal point here, so my final answer is 10.26. Try having a go at these three. If you press pause, I'll put the answers on in a second. Check to see if you got them right. And if you haven't got them right, go back and see if your adding up's correct, because quite often that's where the mistakes lie.